Good afternoon friends, my name is Disha Hital, Ashwamekh Vidyalaya Killa Padi, Standard 8, Subject General Knowledge. So students, today we discuss a few questions in General Knowledge. First question, in an ice hockey team, how many players plays? 6. Quora is a whole website related to which category? Question and answers related website. Question 3. Google is an internet technology company. When Google was founded? 4 September 1998 in United States. Which is first electromechanical binary programmable computer? Z1. First electric speed meter was invented by whom? Quarantine inventor Joseph Belescu. On which date the Indian Constitution Assembly formed? 6 December 1946. How many players plays in a volleyball team? 6. Financial Service Company State Bank of India headquarters is located at where? Mumbai. Who is the Minister of Defence India since May 31, 2019? Sri Rajnath Singh. What is the full form of FIFA? Federation International de Football Association. What is the height of Eiffel Tower in Paris? 324 meter. What is the height of Eiffel Tower in Paris? 324 meter. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was political teacher of whom? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the 44th President of United States of America? Barack Obama. Who is the author of the Divine Comedy? Dante Alighieri. Who is known as Missile Man of India? APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. When the Kargil war between Pakistan and India took place? Between May and July 1999. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia. Which organization hosted it? Wikimedia Foundation. Who founded the Tata Group in India? Jamshedji Tata. When the Taj Mahal was built? 1632 by Shah Jahan. What is the old name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon. What is called a substance which is made of the same type of atmos? Element. In which area the lexicography relation? By combining dictionary. When and where is the Sikh Force movement? In 1830 in Assam. In which state of India the boat race is most popular? Kerala. Which is the most iron producing state of India? Odisha. Which was the first weekly newspaper of Hindi language? Udant Mardan. Who is the second female astronaut of India origin? Sunita Williams. When is Sri Lanka's Independence Day celebrated? February 4th. On which Iceland and Napoleon spent his last day? St. Helena Island. Which is the smallest country in the world in terms of population? Vatican City. Where is the Rajasthan High Court situated? Jodhpur. In India, the establishment of Union Public Service Commission is described in which article? Article 315. Whose example is the Himalayan mountain range? Fault mountains. Where is the Sopni agriculture? On the slopes of mountains. What is the functional unit of kidney? Nephron. Which emperor is the Aeol inscription? Pulchesny. Juno mission of NASA is for which planet? Jupiter. Who produced malaria? Pruthjwa. Which energy can bring energy accumulated under the surface of the earth? What is it called? Geothermal energy. Olympus Mons is still volcano located on which planet? The Mars. Who started Kesari newspaper? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who defines the constitutions? judiciary. Who invented the cooler? Richard C. Elmery. What is the Fusrite made of? From aluminum lead. In which inscription of Asoka is the description of the Kalinga War in expression? Who gave the rule of motion of the planets? Kepler. Our solar system is located in which galaxy? The Milky Way. What is the provision of constitutions of the Supreme Court? In paragraph 124. Thank you.